Hello and welcome to Fix 64. I'm Darren Hadley, and today I have another newer product, and this is a low profile adjustable mic boom. So I am going to unbox it, then we'll set it up on the test desk, and I'll just show you what it can do. Alright. So we have the heavy duty desk clamp, and then the boom arm itself. Yeah, that moves really easily. Nice. And the little props it up. And some tie things and your adapters for different connection types. And of course some hex wrenches. And then your user manual. Okay, the MS007 model also has this really cool place to run your microphone wire or camera wires or anything, and it's already set the standard, and if you need any other type of thread, there's two included, so that is very nice. And this also has a very nice base. It's very wide and large, so to prevent tipping, and it just feels very heavy duty. I will probably use this as my main mic boom from now on for the test desk. Okay, if I'm going to fit my other microphone on there, I am going to have to put the adapter on there. And it simply just works like that. I like how it has like a ball that pivots different directions too. That is very nice because I use that a lot. Probably don't want to get too carried away in tightening because I don't know where I want to position it quite yet. And as you can see, assembly is very easy. Yeah, this will work out really good. Okay, I'll take it over there and see what we can do. Okay, as you can see, this is the old setup, and as you can see, the base part isn't as large, so it wouldn't handle as much weight, I don't think, as the new one. The new one's built for, I think you can put cameras on it, everything, anything you want. Okay, here it is, really, really sturdy. As you can see, it goes different directions. Nice swingability. Okay, as you can see here, sorry if the audio is going to be a bit in and out, but you can like set it to however you want it. And we can also run this wiring through the wiring area, and it'll clean all that up. But yeah, hey, this thing is really nice, very fluid. Moves where I need it to, moves out of the way. Moves clear out even to here, like past the camera right now. A lot further than my old one. Awesome. Sorry, the audio is probably going to suck in this one because I'm moving it so much. But as you can see, you can have the ultimate mic setup for your desk. Whether you're podcasting, shooting a video like I am, or even gaming. This thing's really nice, and for the money, totally worth it. Very nice. That wiring thing, it's these are rubber under here, so you can just press it right in, put it where you need to stay out of the way. Yeah, I'm really liking the way this moves. It's taller, which I really like. It gets it off the desk, so I can kind of just put it out of the way when I need to, so I don't bump into it as I'm walking by. Yeah, the audio is going to suck on this one, though. And the whole point is to get better audio in your face, but it's kind of difficult to do when you're trying to shoot a video of something that's moving your microphone all over over. So I should have used my my wireless microphone. But anyway, I'd like to thank Neewer for sending this over. I couldn't really, do much with it for a video, but it at least showcases it and shows how really nice it is. And I think it would be a great addition to anyone's, microphone, or you could even use a camera, boom it over. You could point it at your keyboard, or there's so many uses for it. But yeah, it's great. Thank you so much, Neewer, for sending it over. And I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers. And if you like this sort of thing, please click like and subscribe. And if you want to know when my next one's out, please hit the bell button. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.